Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Shukrish Classroom. Myself Shubham Agrawal from NIT Hamirpur Civil Engineering student. I am here to teach you about the complete civil engineering softwares in Shukrish Classroom. If you are new at our channel, so you can subscribe our channel and like and share the videos with your friends so that they can help with our videos. So you can see here I have uploaded the many videos on PTV VISSIM tutorials. So how we can add the links in the network editor, how we can provide the curvature on the roads, and how we can provide the vehicle inputs on the road. So if we have added the vehicles, so we can provide them simulation work. So how we can run the simulation work in the PTV sim. You can see all the videos I have uploaded in the playlist. So let's move on the in this video. In this video, we are going to discussing about how we can add the data collection points and we can get the data from the PTV VISSIM software. So we can use the data in our traffic volume and how we can get the capacity of road. So let's start. So in the last video, we have created the major and minor road with connectors. So you can see the video on the I button or you can see also in the description box. So let's start. So in the left portion, you can see here I have selected the data collection point. So you can select the data collection point, just left click and then right click on the road where you want to add data collection points. So have selected the first major road and then click on this, right click and add new data collection points. So I have added the data collection points. You can see in the bottom part, bottom navigation menu. So you can see here I have added the position 251.390 distance. So from left portion to 251.390 distance, I have added the data collection point. So I need to provide the configuration. Okay, so if you are using the student version of PTV VISSIM software, so it's allow only us to time up to 600 minutes. So you can see in the third row data collections, I have selected the collect the data. So from time 0 to 2 time 600. So I have mentioned that if you are using the student version, we have already restricted with 600 minutes. So और अगर आप मतलब स्टैंड वर्जन यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं तो यू कैन सी है 9,099 जो है हमें उसमें पेड सॉफ्टवेयर रहता है उसमें प्रोवाइड की जाती है. ओके, सो इंटरवल इज योर चॉइस. आई हैव taken the interval as 60. So I will get the 10 data collection points. If you are selecting the like if you are selecting the 10, then you can get divide 600 divided by 10. So you will get that 60 data collection points. Okay, data. Okay, sorry. So I will select the 60 intervals. So I will get the 10 data. Okay, so just click on the OK. Then I need to go also on evaluation part. So on the measurement definition, so select the data collection measurement. Okay, so if you can see here the plus button, just click on that and then you need to provide the data collection points here. So just click on the checkbox and drop box and then select one. So you can see I have selected the data collection point as one. So this one is referred to this one, the count number one. Okay, and position kitni 251.390. Okay, so I have selected the data collection points. Then I need to run the simulation work so that I will get the data from data collection point. So what we need to do, go to the evaluation, go to the result list, and you can see here the data collection point in here. So just click on the data collection points. So it will create this table. So you can see here in the column box the count, simulation run, time length, the data collection measurements, acceleration, distance, length, vehicles, so much more. From this data we can get from our calculation parts, like how we can add get traffic density, traffic volume, traffic capacity, jam density, and much more. So we need to provide the simulation. Okay, so just click on the simulation and then run the continuous. Okay, so you need to save changes. ओके, अगर आपने अभी तक हमारी वीडियो को शेयर नहीं किया है, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना, वीडियो को लाइक करना और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना. ओके, सो आई नीड टू सेव द चेंजेस and then you can see here the simulation work is running and our data is generating the values. Acceleration 0.1715. Okay, so it will generate the up to the 10 data collection points. Okay, so I have mentioned in the configuration part कि हमने कितना लिया था 60 interval. Okay, तो 600 divided by 60 is 10, so it will provide us only 10 counts. Okay, it is taking the time, so what we need to do, just click on the quick mode. You can see here on the menu part, the quick mode is here, so just select quick mode and then it will generate all the values by quickly. Okay, just stop the quick mode and then you can see here I have generated all the data points, all the values of the data from the data collection points here. So what we need to do, just select the all the data from the click on the count and then you can either you can control plus C for the copy the data, or you can see here the copy part is here. So select the copy and then what you need to do, just open your Excel file and then Excel, just click on the new book and then paste the data from here. So just formatting the tables and row and columns, what we need to do, alt H O I, alt H O I. So okay, and so हमें अभी सिर्फ इसमें जो हमारे लिए यूज़फुल डेटा होगा वही हमें लेना है, तो लाइक ये हमारे लिए यूज़फुल नहीं है, तो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, जस्ट रिमूव द डेटा and then occupation rate is not useful for us, and speed and q delay is 0. So we will discuss in the next video how we can provide the delay in the road. So you have feel that in the road the delay is there, so we need to provide the delay on next video. Okay, so percentage not vehicles we need not, so length of the road no, distance up to depend on the, okay, so acceleration and the speed is needed to us for the next video. We will discuss on the next video how we can provide the queue delays and conflict areas. So please like and share up our channel. So just save the file as the name data collection point. Okay, data collection points. Okay, save. So we will use this Excel file in the next video, which will be having on the how we can provide that queue delays and the conflict areas. So I hope you like the video and you love the concept of the how we can provide the data collection points. So please like, share and subscribe our channel so that we will motivate for the next video. Thank you guys.